Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, direct deal offer by German submarine giants. Amidst a sluggish pace in India's Project 75I tender for 6 conventional diesel submarines, German defense giant ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems has made a bold move. German officials during a recent visit to India presented a comprehensive roadmap for a direct government-to-government sale of their advanced U-214 by 212 submarines. This comes as a potential alternative to the tender process, which is expected to take a significant 3 to 5 years to finalize. Next, Kalyani's ATAGS MGS being challenged by TATA's 155M gun systems. Tata Advanced Systems has thrown its hat into the ring for the Indian Army requirement of 814 mounted gun systems by offering its own 155mm 52 caliber mounted gun system. This move adds another contender to the competition, potentially heating the race for the major defense contract. Next, BrahMos NG preparing for air, sea and sub launch. Get ready for the next evolution of supersonic destruction. DRDO's BrahMos Corporation is revving up development on the BrahMos NG, that is next generation missile, promising a multi-platform powerhouse with enhanced capabilities across air, land and sea. Next, India-Kenya Defense Expo. India showcased its military hardware at the recent second India-Kenya Defense Exhibition and Seminar held in Nairobi, aiming to strengthening its strategic ties with Kenya. Among the offering was the HAL-developed Light Combat Helicopter LCH Prachand, designed for high-altitude warfare. The exhibition, co-organized by the Kenyan Defence Force and the High Commission of India, saw participations from dignitaries like Kenyan Defence Ministry Honorable Aden Duale and KDF Vice Chief of Defence Forces Lieutenant General J. Mwangi. Next, first private astronaut training facility at Bombay. Astronaut Aerospace, a Mumbai-based company with its sights set on the cosmos, is in negotiations with the Maharashtra government to secure a 4-acre plot in Navi Mumbai. This land could become the foundation for Asia's first private astronaut training facility, marking a giant leap for India's space ambitions. Next, India's Seaguardian drones with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs. India's upcoming acquisition of 31 MQ-9B Seaguardian drone, a $3.99 billion deal with the US, will see them equipped with 170 AGM 114R Hellfire missiles. These missiles, known for their precision and minimal collateral damage, which will bolster India's maritime surveillance and defense capabilities. Standing at just over 5 feet tall and weighing a mere 49 kg, the Hellfire Romeo packs a punch despite its size, its high altitude, long endurance capabilities and semi-active laser homing guidance allow for pinpoint accuracy, minimizing civilian casualties. Next, Female Robot Vyommitra to be launched before Gaganyaan Mission. Women robot astronaut Vyommitra will fly into space ahead of ISRO's ambitious Gaganyaan mission, which will be India's first human manned space flight carrying Indian astronauts into space. Next, Maharashtra MSME Defense Expo in Pune. Indian Defence Forces along with the DRDO are set to take part in the inaugural edition of the Maharashtra Defence Expo, which is being held from February 17-19 to 19 in Pune, with an aim of promoting the medium and small enterprises. The expo, with a large participation from the medium and small enterprises, is also aimed at promoting the coastal state as a hub for defense manufacturing, state government officials said here. Thank you.